Hey girl, hey, welcome y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I am back again today with another video. I'm excited today to bring you my new 2025 fall collection, and this is the episode number 1. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Star and this is Heavenly Nails It. So since we are entering fall, I am trying to, I guess, not get a little head start because I've seen people have started way before I have. But nonetheless, here I go. So I'm going to start my little fall collection. And I am working with this beautiful candy apple red. And it is a Cateye gel polish. So it is magnetic. Can't you tell? It's this magnetic, beautiful candy apple burgundy. So here I am doing a French design. So I am starting with making my smile line. And once I get this smile line the way I would like it, I will go in with my other brush and I will wipe off any excess or clean up my smile line and make sure it's nice and straight. So now I'm going to take my magnet and I'm going to magnetize the glitter and get it into a position that I think looks nice, and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds and then I'm going to go in with a second coat. And here I go once again using my magnet, and I'm going to magnetize it and get it to a position that I would like. Now I just take in my other brush and I mixed a little bit of that candy apple red with some white, so it's not too much red and it's not too much white. It gives me some type of a pink, and I am going to go in and work on making my flowers. So far, I think it's coming out really pretty. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you do like it, give it a thumbs up. And this polish is from Lime Girl, and it is also a candy apple burgundy color with glitter in it. And it's so pretty. Actually was considering adding these leaves to my design. The other design has a couple of leaves in it, and after playing around with it a little bit and trying to position it in different areas, I